Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today's tutorial video, as you can see what I've displayed on my window, I want to show you how you can browse many sites using your phone. As you can see, this is my phone. I can browse multiple sites using my phone. As you can see, I can play YouTube on different windows. You can see I can play that one. I can play this other. I can play this other. And also I can play the other. Using the same phone, I can open multiple sites. So for this tutorial, I want to show you how you can browse different sites with your phone. And how will you go about this? You need your phone, where you need to go to your Play Store. This part is known as Multi-View Browser. So you just search it on Play Store, then you install the app. As you can see, it is installed on my phone. So on your case, you have to install the app. Finally, you have to open it. When you open it, you see that I have different sites that I had already opened so that I can operate all. Now, if you want to open a new site, you just tap on this plus sign for you to open a different site. As you can see, I'm using 4 sites on my phone, but I can use many sites. When you tap on this plus sign, you see I'm on 4 pages. This is my first page. When I tap on it, this is how it looks. When I tap on my second page, this is how it looks. When I tap on my third site, this is how it looks. Then when I tap on my fourth site, this is how it looks. Using this Multi-View browser, you can open more than 6 sites using your phone. If you enjoy using this method, you have to install this app, then enjoy whatever you'll be doing on those different sites. That is all about for tutorial today. If you have enjoyed my tutorial, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and remember to turn on the bell for notifications. Thank you all. You'll meet again with another tutorial. Bye.